James, I'm so excited to announce today that you're joining us as our AI in Retail Chapter Chair for Canada. So excited about it, and I'd love for you to tell the community what that means.
Yeah, I would love to. First of all, thanks, Marie. I've enjoyed partnership with Rethink and our relationship that we've developed over the last year, and very excited to be kind of leading this official expansion of AI in retail into the Canadian retail community. This year, at a minimum, we're going to do 4 events with Rethink in partnership to bring that to the retail community. We're also working with you to build out an AI and retail council for senior retail leaders to really start the conversation in what we feel is the right way and really help Canadian retailers leverage AI to become global leaders.
For those of you who don't know, AI in Retail is a community that RETHINK Retail has had for many years. It's our most popular, and it gathers retailers, retail executives who are really at the forefront of AI. The thing is that most of our activities until this year at Toronto Tech Week were really happening in the US. So this is a really big milestone that we could be bringing some programming directly here in Canada. And I'm really glad that both James and ZeroStone have stepped up to really make that happen. James, why did that feel like the right move for you right now?
Honestly, I think our first event together and getting a feel for how Rethink approaches the market and how you guys engage with retailers was just an eye-opening opportunity for us and a great experience for us. And then honestly, I think it was just timing to a certain extent. Our team has deep retail experience, and we keep seeing the same opportunity, which is to have AI dramatically improve the customer experience. We're very aware that the technology is available. Most retailers haven't deployed it yet. So I said yes because I'm passionate about Canada, and I want our retailers to be the ones who lead the world with AI. And so our first co-hosted event with Rethink is actually going to be in Vancouver this coming September. Details to follow, but I'm super excited to get things kicked off with you and the Rethink partnership.
Yes, please save the date. Friday, September 25th in Vancouver will be the first one. And it's really going to be unique. The format that the team at ZeroStone and James have thought through is really a workshop, like an opportunity for people to work together, which I think is going to be really exciting. Where do you think, James, like when we think about AI adoption in retail and specifically in Canada, what do you think is the biggest immediate opportunity for leaders?
Yeah, that's a great question. I honestly think that it's recognizing that people don't buy products and they actually buy solutions to problems. You know, the richest retail experience has always been in person, but that's never really scaled to the digital experience. And with AI, it really can for every customer, every time. And so it really starts with architecting that digital customer journey from search to kind of personalized expert guidance through to a seamless purchasing experience. And so it's really just in starting and building that initial architecture of the customer experience in a reimagined AI-based way.
I'm really excited about it. There's so much that our community can learn from you, James. And I love how AI in retail is really a peer community where folks can learn from each other. So I can't wait to build that with you. No better person to do it. Thank you so much for accepting the challenge.
Thank you so much. We're excited for the next year and really kind of leading a charge in AI and retail in Canada in partnership with you and Rethink.